Hello everybody, this video is about SuperClean All Wheel Cleaner. It foams away grime and brake dust super easy, super fast. And this came in the May 2021 glove box, just received today. Directions: clean one wheel at a time, rinse thoroughly with cold water. Code: wheel service with SuperClean's All Wheel Cleaner from 6 inches away. Allow foaming action to work for 30 seconds. Extremely dirty wheels, agitate with soft brush or sponge. Rinse wheel thoroughly. Dry with soft clean towel to prevent water spots. So supposedly this works without having to brush too much. So I'm going to try this without brushing. As you can see, these truck wheels are dirty. This stuff is foamy compared to other wheel cleaners. It said to use it liberally, so that's what we're doing. So we'll let it sit for 30 seconds. Watch it do its thing, and then hit it with the water and see how much dirt it takes off. You all saw how dusty, dirty these wheels were. It's kind of overcast today, like it's going to rain, so I'm not going to wash the rest of the truck. I just want to try this new product out. So it looks like the foam on the tires is turning brown. Don't see much going with the wheels. I guess this is not a color changer like a lot of the wheel cleaners are. So we give it a few more seconds here, then give it a try and see what happens. It is foamy stuff though. Usually you have to use a brush to get these things to foam up. So here we go. So, give it a test swipe. So apparently not strong enough, or my wheels are too dirty to just use it by spraying on, but it is a super foaming cleaner, so I like that part. So I will probably experiment with this and see what I like, what I don't like, but so far it does not work without agitating. So, but otherwise seems to be a good product, and most products you have to agitate, so I always get a little suspicious when I see a product saying do not agitate. You have to see one that could work without it. Thanks for watching. If you like these, like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.